If you want to restore your iPad from computer backups, you can do that in two scenarios. Number one, on allow screen. Number two, on home screen. For now, I'm going to show you how to restore your backup on home screen. If you want to know how to do that on allow screen means, watch this video. Okay, first you need to open Settings app and open your Apple ID. Now just open Find My iPhone and open this and just toggle off this. Now enter your Apple ID password and just click turn off. Your Find My iPad was turned off. Now on your computer you need to install this iTunes app. To do that, just open Microsoft app and just type iTunes. Then open this. Here you can see the download option, just click that. If it doesn't download, just click here and sign into your Microsoft account. Then you will be able to download this iTunes software for free. Suppose if it doesn't work, just open any browser and just type iTunes download and open this website support.apple.com, official Apple site. Open this and scroll down and here you can see software. Open that. Then here you can able to download the iTunes software for free. If you want a step-by-step video about these two types, watch this video. I will explain it clearly in step-by-step manner. Now after this, just launch the iTunes app. Then take your iPad charging cable and connect this USB end to PC. Then connect this small end on your iPad. Connect like this. If it doesn't connect, just flip the cable. Yeah, now it's connected. If it asks Trust and Touch ID, just give the access. Then only you can see this option. If you see this iPad-like icon, it means your iPad and iTunes are connected for file transferring anything. Now just click this iPad-like icon. And here you can see the restore option. This is the page. Now under backup, switch this to this computer and here just click restore backup. Now just click restore and enter your iPad backup password. While you're backupping the iPad, you will create a password, encryption password. You just need to enter that here. If you doesn't create any encryption password, you won't see this option. I created, so that's why I see this password. Then click OK. Here you can see restore in process. Don't disconnect the cable. Just enter your screen passcode. Now just swipe up and enter your iPad screen passcode. Here you can see the message restore completed. Apps and data will continue download in background. Just click continue and enter your Apple ID password. Here you can skip this step. Just click skip this. Skip. Get started. Yeah, I just opened the Photos app. Yeah, here you can see everything was restored. And if you want to know how to restore from hello screen, watch this video.